Hello YouTube. So today I can't use my GoPro because it's kind of broken though. But I have a Diabolo with a long bearing and the cups are transparent, and as you can see, yeah, it's going very fast.
He has a lot of Diabolos.
I'll show you
He got
the
5
grid.
Diabolos.
So,
1, 2, 3, 4.
yeah, show them.
The Diabolos, all these Diabolos. Here's the one.
So there's different types. No, give me one. Give me the other one. Give me the other one. Okay, give me them. Okay. So first one is the circus types. They have like all of the ones that are like plastic like this. They always have a short bearing. I mean, this is not a bearing. I don't know. But they have a short bearing. But this one is not a circus one. It's like a normal one, but like a little bit long. And these ones, you can use them like all over the place because you wonder why there's like a white thingy and a black, because if you're on the right, it's the right. Like on the white, it's the right. Because if you're on the right, when you move your hand of the right, it won't move this thing. But if it's the black one, it goes that side, but it can't go on the other one. Like party, no party. Party, no party. Party.
No party. Oh.
But this one, it's Circus Diabolos. They don't do much. And this can do like only 1 knot. That's all.
You want to see Sasuke's videos?
So today I'll show you grins. Like grins, man.
Grim.
Grinned.
Grim.
Grinned.
Grim.
Grinned.
Grim.
It's like you put the
You want to see my video
Diabolo
playing
on the
Minecraft? It's down here, and today I'm playing Minecraft. And
here it is.
Here I got both.
You put it on the stick.
And
And then I call this the hamburger.
And
Here's the hamburger. I don't know why. And then yeah, so this is the hamburger. You gotta throw it up high and then go like that. And you can put a knot for easier. But without a knot, this is how it looks like. You can move around like but with a knot, it can't move a lot.
There's nothing there, but who cares about it?
So the grind.
And here
Can't
I
do
have a lot of mobs.
the Circus Diabolos and the normals,
And
because it's not that
I got squid, by the way.
not that like balanced, man.
It's a big squid.
And on this one, you can
Wait!
easily do it like
Nah, it's not gonna do that.
get.
What happened?
And I'll show you one trick that I love. It's the okay. So my next one is the cat's cradle. Let me do this.
And then
Toss it up.
it's gonna be very good.
Toss. Toss.
And
Toss.
it's not how it really looks
Toss.
like, but I'm just joking that never mind. Never mind.
And you can even put your hand in the bearing, but be careful because it might. So
Bye.
So bye YouTube, and this is the first tutorial, but don't worry, there's still more tutorials going in. So bye.